Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing the biggest bottlenecks. Free at least 10 to 20% of storage. Uninstall unused apps, delete large videos, and move photos to cloud or SD. Reboot the device now to clear temporary caches and hung processes. Once done, check Settings Software Update and install any pending Android or Samsung updates so background optimizations kick in. These first steps remove immediate slowdowns and prepare the system for deeper tuning without wasting time on trivial setup. Now you dig into behavior. Restrict background activity for battery-draining apps in Settings Battery Background Usage Limits, which reduces CPU wake-ups and memory pressure. Next, enable developer options and set animation scales to 0. 5x or off. This makes UI feel snappier by shortening transitions. Clear cache for heavy apps like browsers and social media, and install light versions when available. Make sure to reboot after major changes so memory and services restart cleanly, and the system finish with deeper maintenance. Run Settings Device Care Optimize to let Samsung trim background tasks and repair storage indexing. Move seldom used apps into secure folder or an external SD to reduce active app count. If performance still lags, backup data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Reinstall only essential apps to avoid restoring the original slowdown. If problems continue, inspect the SD card for errors or test battery health. Hardware faults like a failing card or worn battery often cause persistent slowdowns.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.